and we'll get the nails trimmed here.
Okay.
On my videos, when we have patients with lymphedema, it's usually quite advanced lymphedema.
Oh.
So this will be good that people can see that it can start out just like yours, where it looks a little bit swollen.
Oh, okay.
And we'll see that when we get to the other side.
All right.
What have you been doing to keep yourself busy?
Oh, shoot, I had to work because I work with children at the Y, so, but we had 2 weeks off. This is off week. We go back Monday.
2 weeks off because somebody tested positive?
Oh, no, just moving from the YMCA back to KIP school.
Okay.
Yeah. I was able to work there during the summer because, you know, normally it would have been year-round at Nellie Stone until all this happened, so.
Is that an elementary school?
Uh-huh, yes.
So you've got the kids of essential workers mostly?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Well, thank you for doing that.
You're welcome.
I'm sure you're like me, grateful to get up and have a job to go to.
I know, yeah.
So many people out of work right now.
Exactly. Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right. So how many little kids do you have in your group?
Oh, they said it won't be more than 8 in the room.
Okay. And you have plexiglass all over the place?
I don't know, because we'll be just going back to camp since June 9th was my last day there.
Okay.
And it's a charter school.
I'll tell you who COVID-19 is not hurting, besides the CEO of Zoom.
Who?
The COVID is not hurting the plexiglass industry.
Oh, yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
So what are you doing with your 2 weeks off?
Oh, I was making all of my appointments, and still 1 or 2 fell into October, so.
Nice to get all that out of the way, huh?
Yes.
All right, so let's go ahead and we'll get these all thinned out.
Okay.
That little corn bother you there?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
It
not
was
even,
hard.
yeah.
Huh?
Oh, it looked like a corn, it doesn't feel like one though.
Oh, okay.
All right, now are you wearing socks today?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, well, everything here looks really good.
Okay.
So
Thank
this
you.
was 2 months or 3 months?
I think it was, maybe, it might have been 2.5 or 3, I'm not sure.
Okay, so up at the front desk, just tell her whatever this was,
Okay.
that this is, we'll do the same time frame.
Oh, okay.
Hand me your socks. No,
Oh,
you know
okay.
what that is.
Thank you.
Well, again, thank you for letting us do the video,
Oh, you're welcome.
and have a
They look
good...
good too.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good couple of months. If we can keep it short and thinned out, then we should get it to the point where it doesn't hurt.
Она говорит, что он чуть-чуть будет расти, но я буду делать его коротенький, чтобы он не упал. Он будет расти, да. Он будет расти.
Но вот я смазывала лаком, да,
Ага.
и вот здесь уже смотрю, укрепился этот локоть.
Ага.
Он уже не так крошится, как в тот раз.
And that's fine.
Да, ты можешь его красить.
Да.
Ну, сейчас уже, знаешь, закрытая обувь.
Нет,
Не
я
обязательно.
его крашу, чтобы он укрепился.
Окей.
Это специально от грибка, вот этот лак.
She
Она
has
мне
some
выписала.
special.
Did I-
You give it to her prescription
Oh,
to make
right.
it stronger. This is it fungus?
Yes,
That's
well,
for грибок.
possibly.
Наверное, это может быть грибок. Да.
Да, но это
Поэтому
помогло,
You
помогло.
prescribe to her something. It helps.
Did I give her the stuff? Did I give it to her
This is
last
what
time
she
she was
says.
here?
В прошлый раз она вам что-то приписала, да?
Да, да,
Я
да.
ей prescribe something.
Then
Я
I
мажу.
need, then, я хочу делать фото
Снимок?
of this,
Okay.
yeah,
Хорошо.
Окей,
when we're done.
когда мы закончим, я сделаю снимок.
Этого пальца она делает снимок, да?
Он из toe?
No, I'll do them all, I just want to
Я
do
как
this for the video.
все сделаю.
Да.
Okay.